this is where the tires go.
And up here too. How will this plane crash in the next time it takes off? They are obviously.
I mean, some little stuff like arrow and all that just goes to the but some larger things
Just jams.
You made it.
It's not worth it. Just leave now.
It's not worth it.
We'll decide that for ourselves. Thank you.
Remember,
After
lots of
talking
big
to him, I want to see where he works. See his office.
See you.
We just got a somebody else.
Yes, crew.
How's it going?
Good.
Yeah, we can fit more people in there, just blind.
We've been waiting for 4 hours in line.
Oh yeah.
It's
And I'm waiting even longer.
It's a slow line.
Well, hopefully it's worth it.
Yeah, it's cool so far. Are you warm?
What's up?
It's toasty up here.
Oh
Are
yeah.
you warm?
Yeah.
So that's the hatch for the ejection here.
Mm-hmm. We can open it manually if we had to get out.
Okay.
But that's what will separate from the aircraft during the ejection.
So, where's the ejection handle?
The yellow one's right here.
Oh, right here. Okay. The one that says pull to eject. That one.
Exactly. Yeah.
So they yank those. The hatch blows in flight, and then.
The seat goes out. You had to ride up that rail, and then the crew member is attached to those harnesses, or through his harness through the shoulder
So
strap.
it
So you're
just
seeing right
sticks to the seat.
Yep.
So this area in flight, you pretty much stay out of.
Yeah, that's just like for maintenance. So that's avionics control boxes that are.
That's more for when it's on the ground.
Now, what looks like a stick over here?
That's for the DSO. That's the defensive system officer, and he's gonna use that for threats, and he can, we call it hook a threat.
So does he actually fly?
No, he's not flying anything. It's just looking at the threat parameters, and he can use that stick to select things that he wants.
Okay. Oh, so it doesn't move.
Right. Yeah.
He just has buttons on
Just
it.
buttons. Yeah.
Okay, I got it.
And then on the other side, the OSO has one for the radar and one for the sniper pod.
And again, the outside one looks like it pivots forward and backward.
Just a touch, yeah, if he needs to get to the escape rope over there, but it's for the sniper pod.
Okay. And lots of buttons.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I like the sticker. All right, I'll move up here so those guys can start to come up.
It is hot once you get up here.
Yeah, the further you come, the hotter it gets.
So all their visibility is pretty much with their instruments, not so much the window.
Yeah, they just have the little window to the side. Their view's not quite as good as ours.
Yeah.
Up front.
So I worked with a guy named Larry Haskell, who said he flew these
Okay.
way back, and they had a bird strike when the plane went down. They had 6 people on board.
Yes. So okay, I know I know the
You
story.
know the story?
Mhm.
Yeah. And he wasn't in the Air Force anymore, because I guess it kind of ruined his career.
Oh wow. Okay.
And but then later on, I guess at first they wouldn't believe that it was a bird strike that brought down the plane. So I
Yeah.
think they hit a pelican or something like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do know that there's one of the crashes a while back.
Yeah.
You know what year that was?
I don't know what year.
90s? I don't
It
know.
would have been possibly even 80s.
Okay.
Late 80s,
80s,
early
okay.
90s.
I do know that they used to fly with 6 people on the jet,
Yeah.
and the instructors would sit in between both.
So for over a 30-year-old airplane, it's still probably a lot of fun. Huh?
It's cool.
Yeah, it is a lot of fun.
It's cool to be sitting in the left seat of a B-1 bomber.
There you go.
Pretty awesome. Now, what's your job?
I'm one of the pilots.
Okay.
So you take either seat?
Mhm.
Just depends on what the...
Yeah, the airlines kind of have the traditional, captains in the left
Yeah.
seat, and the co-pilot or first officers in the right. But
I
in the
go up
B1,
here?
we can sit either seat.
Yeah. Okay if I sit up there?
Yeah, yeah.
I'll ask him. Is there a special way to get up here?
Kind of carefully, I guess.
Yeah.
You can,
Just kind of...
yeah, just 1 foot over.
Now, are there locks on the controls, or
Right now
because I noticed
there's no power, so that's just kind of the dead band. Once there's hydraulic.
Right.
Get over there. Oh, be careful not to step on this. That's the position.
Yeah, exactly. You can take a look. Yeah.
You want to sit up here?
Nope.
No?
Look.
Okay, yeah.
Take a picture?
Yeah. You want to take a picture?
How to use this?
This one.
Okay. This one.
Yeah. Okay.
But
No. So I push this one.
this one?
Yeah. No, no. Push right here. That, yeah. Yeah. Go ahead. Push it all the way down.
Your eyes.
Yeah. I'll look this way, it'll look better.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
You said your eyes is dry.
Uh-huh. So I'll go ahead and, here, I'll hand you this, and then I can get up. Be really careful.
Yeah, just think small. I guess I don't have any other advice than that. Than exactly like you're doing.
Easy for me to think small.
Well, you are smaller.
Careful.
So if I turn like this, and I,
Sweet.
Watch the bomb release.
I think that's in back.
Nothing's powered on, so we're good.
Yeah. The bomb release is back there, isn't it?
We get one. Yeah. But that's hearsay. I was up here all day, so I don't know.
Yeah. Wow. It'd be neat to see this fly too.
Yeah, on Tuesday morning we'll be taking off out of here if you guys are around.
Oh, really?
9:30 ish.
It might be at over on by Madigan. I don't know if you know Madigan.
No, I'm not familiar with
It's
that area.
on Fort Lewis. It's